Hello
Nakshatra
everyone.
Kulkarni.
Hello everyone. Myself Nakshatra Kulkarni, and today I am presenting material science activity number 7, that is disassembly of mosquito killer bat, guided by Professor Mrs. Mangal Dain ma'am. This is a mosquito killer bat. Generally, we all have seen a mosquito killer bat, and we all have used mosquito killer bat. So, what is a mosquito killer bat? The mosquito killer bat is a racket which it looks like a badminton racket, and the user can wave the racket and kill the mosquito. This mosquito bat was first invented by a Taiwanese inventor, that is Xiao Aishi. This device is extremely popular in tropical countries like India because we all know that there is a nuisance of mosquitoes in our country. So let's see what is inside a mosquito killer bat. In a mosquito killer bat, there are two meshes, that it is an outer mesh and inner mesh. And when we wave the mosquito killer bat, then the mosquito is trapped inside it and it is electrocuted. Which materials are used in mosquito killer bat? For the enclosures, spacers, and handle of mosquito bat, molded ABS plastic is used, and for the mesh, we use aluminium material. This is a circuit diagram of mosquito bat. Working of the mosquito killer bat. As I told earlier, a high voltage power supply is given to the metal mesh, and when the mosquito flies between the meshes, it creates low resistance path, and the mosquito is instantly electrocuted. Ma'am, can you hear the audio?
No.
Molded plastic, we can see, and this is the outer mesh, and inside it is the inner mesh. These are made from aluminium material. We can see this is a spacer. It is used to it is used to keep space between inner mesh and outer mesh. It is also made from ABS plastic. Now let's open the enclosure. We can see this is the circuit of the inside a mosquito killer bat. This circuit is actually very simple. We have used a battery. Then this is a switch, push button switch. It is a slide switch. By using this, we can turn on and off the mosquito killer bat. This is a capacitor that is indicating LED. This is a step-up transformer. These are the diodes and capacitors. Generally, this is a ladder circuit, and this is a capacitor. This capacitor is connected in parallel with the step-up transformer. Generally, the AC supply is given, it is converted to DC, and then the DC is given to the that is a transistor. It creates an oscillator circuit. We cannot step up DC. That's why we have used an oscillator circuit. So the oscillator circuit converts the DC into pulsating AC, and then that pulsating AC is given to the step-up transformer, We can also call it as a pulse transformer. And then the transformer boosts up the output, uh, and then that is given to the ladder circuit. This ladder circuit then gives the output to the capacitor. The capacitor stores the energy and then discharges when at the time of working. The output is given to these meshes. High voltage supply is given to these meshes, both meshes, and when the mosquito is trapped inside it, it creates a low resistive path, and an arc is passed through the body of the mosquito, and it is instantly electrocuted. So
Okay,
this is
good.
my activity number 7.
Okay.